another video. So today, basically, we have a giant box. Oh, it's a 40. Oh, by the way, it's open. It's a mystery box, but it's open because my mom looked at it. None of us looked at it. It's just gonna be a surprise for both of us. Well, all of us. So yeah, this is basically a Funko Pop mystery box. It was $40, so so I have this scanner app. I forgot my phone downstairs. Sean, entertain them. Make sure not to look at it. I'm inside the box. Okay. So on my phone, I have a app that shows me how much a Funko Pop is worth. So we're gonna see if this is worth $40. So there's 6 Funko Pops, and there's supposed to be 2 rare ones. I'm gonna close my eyes and grab one. Shall I close your eyes?
I did.
Okay, I think this is the front. I don't know. If it's upside down or backwards, I'm sorry.
Close the box.
Okay, open your eyes. Oh shoot, it's upside down. It is Joker. Okay, Joker. Well, yeah, it doesn't have a mirror on it, but it still could be worth a lot of money. The Joker. I'm gonna put it on silent mode. Get back. So this app, not sponsored, it's just a Funko app. You can't see, but so I'm gonna go to a scanner thing, and I'm gonna scan the bottom of this. Oh man, there's a $55 version of it, but this one is $10, so that's good so far. So we're just gonna put that right there. The box is right here, by the way. Wondering where it is. Close your eyes. I think if it's upside down here. Oh, it was backwards. I personally do not know what this is from. But
Fight Club?
if any of you know what this is from, I don't know. Good job for you. Oh, yep, I have to
Just move this over.
scan it. No, I want to scan it, not see the results. Oh, this is worth $10 too. So far we have $20 worth of Funko Pops, so that's really good because this is supposed to be 40. So this box is $40. So
We already have like more.
yeah, I already have $200 worth of Funko Pops up there. I'll maybe show it to you later, but I don't know.
If you don't have a brother and sister, this is how you fight.
Oh, you argue. Okay, that's not straight. It's gonna be bothering me if I don't fix it. Okay, now we're gonna next one. Oh, and I forgot to mention, there's another box. Whoa!
Can I pick it this time?
Sure. I'm pretty sure there's 4 left. I didn't see what it is. What is it? Oh, this looks like it's a limited edition.
Yeah, it's limited.
I don't know what it's from, but as you can see here, there's a sticker up here that means it's a limited edition. So let's see how.
Hey, let
much you would buy it for? Okay, so skin. No, I don't want the results. I want to skin it.
Those kind of nuts.
It's worth $12. Okay.
That's nothing.
Sean, this was worth $40. We already have $30 worth of it, and there's still like 2 or 3 more. So 3 more. So.
It smells so nice.
Wait a second. Yeah, that's it.
Let's just
Okay.
put Joker more in the corner because there's
No,
enough
not
space.
until we have.
There's not enough space.
Okay. Shut your mouth, Tina Jean.
What's that?
Looks like kind of like a zombie. Oh, it's from Zombieland. I never watched this. I don't know, but if you have it there, I don't think it's a limited edition.
Okay, now let me put. Here.
No, I didn't scan it yet. Let's see, it's the long hair version. Oh, this one actually does not say the value. I don't know, maybe I'll look it up later.
Probably $10.
I don't know. Some of them don't show the thing. I don't know. Some of them just say, I don't know.
Probably $10.
Yeah, maybe like $10. So if this is $10, then this is like $40. Joker! So yeah.
We need to move the camera more back so you can see more. Star Wars.
Yes, Star Wars. It's Gene Erso. It's exclusive. So that's good. Okay. No skin. There's no skin.
Oh, maybe because it's exclusive.
Okay, let me scan the other. Sean, it's not straight.
It doesn't have to be straight.
Yes, it does.
It's not straight.
I know it's not. I don't know. I'll also have to look up how.
That's Renegade
this
Raider.
is- No, it's not. It kind of does look like it. Oh, thanks, Sean. And I will pick the last one. Oh no, there's 21 on here. No, that's kidding. The last one is. Looks kind of cool. Wait. Oh, it's from Umbrella Academy. I'm actually about to be starting to watch this.
Wait.
6, Sean.
Wait, they cheated.
What do you mean?
There's only one extra. There's only one.
No, Star Wars is also there.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm about to start watching this. But let's see, there's a scan. Yep, there's a scan. $8. So basically $10. And I think every single one is like at least like
10
2 away from 10. Or like the most is like 2 away from 10. I don't think
Okay,
I don't think we got any lower than 5 still.
Ow.
And wait, yeah. Wait, no, we have to keep them in good shape. So when they do go up in price, if they do, we could sell them when I stop liking Funko Pops. Oh, and by the way, I'm not sure if I said before, but I said I was gonna show my Funko Pop collection.
You said maybe.
Well, I'm gonna show it. So I have all of them over there. And I also have some that I accidentally unboxed when I didn't know how to collect Funko Pops. So those aren't really a lot of money, but those are all of those are $200 combined. Sean made a statue. Okay, guys, so that's gonna be all with the video, and hope you enjoyed our first unboxing video. If you like these, maybe I'll buy more unboxing because this was also fun and it adds to my collection. So see ya and bye. Bye. Oh shoot, I was supposed to cover the camera. Bye.